I'm going to show you why, after cleaning homes that have these shower heads in them, I'm going to be putting these in my own bathrooms. Check this out. What? What? It's like a power hose for your shower. Like, what? That's incredible. I wish this shower was like dirty enough for you to see all the dirt that I could put down the drain with this thing. It's like sweeping your bathroom. I couldn't think of a better way to rinse your walls off and get a really good clean here. Check that out. Okay. In addition to that, here's another setting. Okay. Thus the full head, the outside, and the center are on. And then this is just the outside is on. And then this middle one here also has this power button. Let's see what that does. Oh my gosh. If you really need like that center strong spray. Amazing. Two, gentle, strong, full, softer, but full, and like a power spray right in the middle there. Plus that. Oh my gosh. Like, I don't know how they can make this any better. And it's a nice, wide shower head when you put the whole thing together. So you kind of get like that rain shower, like full spray experience. So I don't know if you can think of a shower head that's better than that. Well, let me know.